So by now you've probably heard of a game series called Halo. You know, nothing too special, not like a huge part of anybody's childhood or anything. But have you seen the man, the myth, the legend, Master Chief, and said, I want to have a suit like that? Well, now you can. Sort of. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Master Chief Gauntlets, so you can look cool at the next convention, if you want to prove to your parents that you're not a complete waste of life. Step 1. Buy your materials. You're going to need a hot glue gun, EVA foam, heat gun, Modge Podge, spray paint of choice, printer, paper, and duct tape. Step 2. Tape and cut out the pieces on foam piece, EVA foam piece. Step 3. Use a heat gun to make the pieces sturdy and bendable. Caution. Use a gas mask when doing this, due to EVA foam having disastrous effects on the human brain. You can already tell it has had a very disastrous effect on my brain. Step 4. Put the pieces together and try not to burn yourself. I have like a welt here. I might add a little video in post. Oh, look at that. That is a very nice welt. See, kids, this is why you don't play with hot. Step 5. Repeat the second one. Step 6. Spray paint it. Any color works. I mean, like if you were playing Halo 3 back in the day and you had your custom Halo Spartan being like yellow or purple or blue, I don't know. Step 7 is layer it with Modge Podge and let it dry. Step 8, enjoy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Congratulations, everybody. You made your very own Halo gauntlets. Oh, and I will be leaving in the description links to the 405 blog where I got most of my inspiration for this, and the paper stencils they have to use for this certain build. And yeah, that's going to be pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. I can't believe this is really short like this. Wow. It's probably going to be longer in post. I don't know if this is going to be on. Okay, so for everyone who stayed till the end of the video, yeah, here's a suit right now. This is a bit cooler. I didn't film any of the making of this, so, you know, here's just me showing it off to you guys. It's very cool. It's not finished. Nowhere near finished. Because I was gonna paint it red. We only had green at the store, so I'm like, alright, I'll use Master Chief as base, but whatever. Here you go. Bye-bye.